This is a super quick video tutorial on how to control your heater in your MG4 EV. So you go to the remote control section at the top here, and at the bottom right you'll see I'm sliding the air conditioning tab to on. I have to put my pin in. It says turning AC on, and you should get a reply from the car in a few seconds. There we go, success. Now if you look at the top right where it says HVAC, you tap that. Okay, we'll get rid of that message. You tap that, and then you get a second menu, so you can adjust the temperature. I'm just bringing it down, up, and you can have the seats warm up as well. You can't tap on the seats, as you can see I'm tapping there, but if you go warm up here at the top right, and then you can have the driver's seat. Now it's got them the wrong way around at the moment, but hopefully that will be fixed in an update for the right-hand drive market. So obviously that is the left seat, and you can adjust that low, mid, high, and the right seat, low, mid, high. If you've got a Trophy, that is, you've got heated seats. Sadly, you can't switch on the heated steering wheel, but you can adjust that, and then you have to press send. And then you'll get a confirmation that it's sending the heat level, and hopefully you'll get one back in a few seconds saying, yes, success, the seat level's been set. So there you go, and that runs for 10 minutes, just like the air conditioning. And that's how you adjust your heated seats in the Trophy, and you can adjust your air conditioning temperature in all the cars using the MG iSmart app if you have an MG4. Thank you for watching.